Open the Helpdesk module and go to General Settings. Click on Enable AI Assistance. Navigate to the OpenAI API section. Add your API key and save the settings. Enable the Demo Mode checkbox. Finally, click Save to complete the setup. Demo mode is active now. Return to the main menu and open the Helpdesk module. From the Helpdesk dashboard, click on the Tickets menu. Select the New button to create a new support ticket. Enter the ticket name and provide a detailed description of the issue. Explaining the issue, including the problem, affected area, expected behavior, and any relevant information that will help resolve the ticket quickly. Click Save to securely store the ticket details. Click AI Fill Description, then choose the description field and select AI Customize. Carefully review the AI-generated draft, verify that all essential information is included, add any missing details, remove unnecessary content, and refine the description to ensure it is accurate, clear, and ready to use. Click on Generate and Fill Description button. Before generating the description, take a moment to verify all ticket details. Once everything looks correct, click AI Fill Description and let AI create a complete, professional support description. To improve the generated response, select the description field and click AI Customize once more. Add any extra issue details you'd like AI to consider, then click Generate and Fill Description to create a more accurate and comprehensive ticket description. Once you're satisfied with the generated description, copy the complete content and click Send Message. On the next screen, choose AI Edit to review, refine, and enhance your response before sending it to the customer. Click Continue Draft with AI, allow AI to generate a personalized email based on the ticket details, then review and paste the completed draft into your email. Take one final look at all the ticket details to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click Send Email to send the AI-generated response directly to your customer.